Welcome back to the channel. Motorheart 579. On deck today we have Mobius X8 wrist brace. Been looking at these for a little while. As many of you know, I shattered my wrist early this spring. I'm just getting back to riding now. You know, we spend all kinds of money on our bikes and everything else, but we don't spend enough on sometimes on safety gear, which I'm hoping this is going to not only give me a little bit more confidence while I'm riding, knowing that I'm not going to hyperextend my hand, and it's going to be comfortable all at the same time. Seen a couple of reviews on these. Picked this up at Rocky Mountain ATV. I don't have an affiliate link to them, but I'll try to get an affiliate link up there from Amazon. Alright, so let's do the unboxing. As you can see, I got the medium large because my wrist is really big. I want you to measure it across here, and mine became, I measured it with a vernier micrometer, calipers, however you want to call it. It was 2.48, so I'm saying 2.5, which this one here I believe is the 2.5 on up, the medium large. Let's see what's in here. Alright, so you got the brace, obviously. Looks like we got a 2-finger pad that comes with it, which I didn't see in any of the other reviews. So this one, I imagine, go on like this. Instead of just a single finger that they have on there. There's the booklet, everything else. And this is a little extra thicker pad, just in case when you crank this up and there's not enough space there. This will give you a little added space with that. Comes with an Allen wrench to adjust in here for the flexion. Or deflection, however you want to look at it. And of course, the best part of the whole thing is you also get these stickers. Oh, we all love stickers, don't we? So, alright, well, let's get this unhinged from its packaging here. Let's see what we got here to get it out. So I just unstraps from here. Do that, pull that out, and just like that, it's out of the packaging. So to use this, you pull down on this little lever here and give it a little uncrankage. Okay. Get that on. Down over your hand there. Slip that over the middle finger, which this thing is a little tight, especially when I put a glove on. It's going to be really tight. Let's see what happens. How do I get this down even more? Give that a twist. Back around. Anyway, I'm going to try it with the glove. I want to see how that's going to fit. Okay, let's get that over that. Okay, switch that in. Yeah, I could see this. I could see this little neoprene thing here being a problem. Can't say for sure, but I know they sell replacements for that item, so I'm assuming it's a wear item. Let's see if we can get this through. Okay, goes through there like that. Okay, give that the old strappage. Okay, crank that right up. I'd like that to be a little further back. Okay, so give that the old crankarooey. It's pretty comfortable. You can adjust here. I think it's up to 70. I haven't really gone into it too deep. But take this Allen wrench down in here. They'll tighten that to, or loosen it to what your what level of flexion you want. Right now, I think that's pretty good on me. I don't even think I have to adjust it at all. Might go a little clicks tighter. Yeah, I like that. I think as it stretches in, you may need to, go a little tighter. It's the cables. Yeah, so that's what we're looking at. Yeah. Let's see here. What does this say? Wrist brace liner is adjustable or replaceable. So you can adjust the liner as well back and forth. Looks like it's really well made. I mean, obviously you can't put a price on health or anything like that, but I mean, it's like almost 220 bucks for this. So, I mean, I paid more for other things, but, and there's nothing going across the palm here, so you can twist the throttle really good. That's what I got so far for the Mobius X8 wrist brace. We'll get a riding video with it, and I'll add that in. But I can still move everything side to side, back and forth. Like I said, you can adjust this more, but right now that's about as far as I can go backwards without actually stretching the tendons, as I'm still trying to gain more of my use of this hand back. About 85%. This is definitely going to give me a little more confidence on the bike. I've been kind of, gingerly playing around, not wanting to hurt myself. So I'm thinking this, not going to say that it's end all to be all, but it'll definitely help. One note here is if you tighten this up and you got no room between here, that's what this padding is for. That'll give you a little extra room between that and the cable. If this is touching, then you need the bigger size, which is what I got, is the bigger size. So, and if this doesn't work on the bigger size, you're SOL, and you're probably a Bigfoot. So anyway, that's it. Motorheart 579 out.